everyone, welcome to a new disc golf video. Today I'm playing the back nine at the Sinks disc golf course. If you haven't seen the front nine, make sure to go check it out. It's in the iCard above. Click that, go watch that video before you watch this one. We're going to be playing the back nine, trying to score pretty well. So hole 10, par 3, you can see the basket pretty straight ahead. So let's go ahead and do it. No height on that. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you do hit the subscribe button. At the time I'm recording this video, I'm not to 500, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'm doing a giveaway at 500 subscribers. You're definitely going to want to subscribe so you can enter that giveaway. Follow me on Instagram at Fixated Disc Golf. But yeah, I'm glad you guys are here. Make sure to leave a like if you enjoy this video, and yeah, let's have a good time out here. Not my best effort there. That'll be a par to open the front of the back nine. Really just needed to get that drop higher. That's pretty much it. All right, guys, this hole's just a par 3. Straight, a little bit to the left. Gold line gauntlet here. Let's try to give it a run. Good birdie there. All right, guys, this hole's a par 3. It's not the basket that you can see right there. It's not that one. It's to the left, and I don't know, probably like 80 to 100 feet farther. So I'm gonna take a Maverick and throw a turnover. Hopefully we can get down there. That looks really good, I think. From what I can tell, that was pretty much exactly what I had in mind. I don't know if it's far enough because I threw it a bit high, but hey, I was pretty close to what I was trying to execute there, so that was pretty good. Well, it was a little bit short, but right in line, so we got a good look at it. Nice. Great birdie there, guys. That one feels good to pick up. That's an interesting shot shape that I don't really get to throw that often, but hey, it works. So I'll take that birdie. That was really nice. This is a short little par 3. Got a double mando in between those trees. I'm gonna try to throw a turnover backhand here with this Warden and see if we can get down there. Dude, that was looking so good. I think that was tracking for an ace. Oh my gosh, I hit a late tree. Dude, that was such a good throw. It's kind of funny because basically it's hard to film this hole so you guys can actually see the basket. I think I had it to a position where you guys could partially see it, but I couldn't move in front. I couldn't move to my right to look if it was gonna go in. So I was trying to peek through the woods to the left, and I knew it was on a good line the minute I threw it. I think it either hit, let's see, it hit one of these 2 trees right here. It either hit the one before it or the one like really close to the basket. Judging by the kick, I don't know, it could have been this one or it could have been that one, but that was tracking right to go in. That would have been sick, but we got a pretty short putt here. so I don't know what Belch'n Turkey plays. I'm gonna play the par 4. It's straight and slightly to the right. I'm going musket here. Skip too far into the woods here. We'll see what we got. No way. I actually have a putt. I'm not even kidding. I got a little here. I got a little jump putt route here to these leaves. Not a good drive, really, is what it came down to. Just didn't throw my drive well. Threw it way too high in the air. And put us out of position, but after that drive, a par is fine. Got another par 4 here. This one's a tunnel. You just want to make it out of the tunnel, fade a little bit left, and then hopefully have a straight approach to the basket. This par 4 is around like 500-600 feet. I got a musket just trying to get out of the tunnel. That was literally perfect. I mean, I couldn't have thrown that any better than I did, so super happy with that. All right, so I threw this great. If it would have faded like 10 more feet, that would have been perfect. We'll see what we can do. Oh, dude. Brother. Well, that was not good. I should have gone with something stable. Thinking back on it, like right when I was throwing it, I realized I had to throw it hard, and so I really juiced it at the last second there. If I was thinking, I should have gone like anvil, ripped it on Annie, and then it would have had stability to come back. But that is so frustrating after that drive to do all that and then have a long putt for par. But let's just try to focus on making it. That's such a dumb bogey, man. That's so frustrating. Oh well, that's, I mean, first bogey of the day, one of the best drives of the day. Disc golf is weird, man. Got my old musket here. Gonna hyzer flip it down there. My form was really bad on that tee shot. I felt it. I never finished my throw. I didn't rotate around all the way, and I set up on the wrong part of the tee pad. That's something that you really need to be sure of when you're throwing, is make sure you're set up right, because if you're not set up right for a comfortable run up, your shot's not going to be good. And my shot wasn't good. It ended up not bad, but I threw it pretty bad. We do have a jump putt though, so let's try to make it. You know, I'm gonna try to forehand actually. Oh, dude. That was kind of close. Made the comeback. Hole 18, I don't know what we're at right now, but this one is just to the right. I got a gold line gauntlet. Yeah. Not good, too low. My shot really wasn't that bad. I guess it got a little skip. We got a very makeable putt for birdie. Alright guys, good round. Long tees or long layout at the sinks. It was fun. I'll put my score on the screen of what I shot. So yeah, it was fun. I really like playing out here. It's really beautiful in the fall with all these leaves. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe. I'll be heading out to Edwards Park soon. I got a tournament there in December. So yeah, expect content coming from there as well. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.